That's slightly above the last one.
Shoot it again, Colb.
I think that's all.
You ready?
Oh,
That was
that's
low. Okay, I think that was all. Beautiful shooting.
Why rapid fire?
Beautiful.
Oh, that wasn't even really great.
And you didn't even hardly budge.
No.
That's it. Cause
What was the gun sound?
Fire.
Try it again right away. There you go. Now it's working.
Should we tell them?
Fire! Firing!
Oh my gosh!
You're about an inch above the red. Look at the shells on.
I know.
I like bolt action snipers or rifles.
Same spot.
So he has to hold down the front of it.
Keep it steady after
Yeah.
it triggers.
All right. You see that tin that's against the bank out there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What for now?
What?
The tin? I don't think so.
Which one? The one that has two things hanging down?
Yeah.
Which one, Dad?
He can't hear you,
At
Dana.
the tin, you'll know if I hit it or not.
I don't want to see.
It's gonna ping. Ding.
Must have missed it.
Firing.
Holy cow!
Fire!
You through?
Do it again.